Jai Jawan. Havildar Hangpan Dada, bleeding profusely and with utter disregard to his safety, killed 4 terrorists. It was sheer grit and determination displayed by Havildar Hangpan Dada, who killed 4 intruding terrorists before laying down his life at the height of 13,000 feet in the harsh and icy Himalayan range of North Kashmir. Havildar Hangpan Dada, fondly called by his comrades as Dada, was born on 2nd October of 1979 in Borduria village in Tirap district of Arunachal Pradesh. Havildar Dada was a keen sportsman and used to run several kilometers and do 25 to 30 push-ups every day even as a child. Havildar Dada joined the army and was recruited to the 3rd Battalion of the Parachute Regiment on 28 October 1997. 6 years later, he then went on to serve with the Assam Regimental Centre and joined the 4th Battalion of the Assam Regiment on 24th Jan 2008. A few years later in 2016, Havildar Dada then volunteered to serve with the 35 Rashtriya Rifles engaged in anti-insurgency operation in Jammu and Kashmir. A devout Christian, was fond of keeping snakes as pets and had to be evacuated by a helicopter once after he was bitten by one of them. Havildar Dada was a soldier par excellence and was equally liked by his peers as well as seniors. During May 2016, Havildar Dada's unit 35 Rashtriya Rifles was deployed in the Naukam sector in Jammu and Kashmir. On 25th May 2016, his unit had received information from intelligence sources about the presence of terrorists in the Naukam sector. A decision was taken to launch a search and destroy operation the night to flush out the terrorist. On the night of 25th May, Havildar Dada, along with his other comrades, led a charge on hiding terrorists as per the planned operation. After reaching the suspected area, Havildar Dada, along with his team, spotted the movement of terrorists and launched a well-coordinated attack on them. A fierce gun battle ensued that went for over 24 hours. Havildar Dada killed 2 terrorists on the spot in a swift daring action. On seeing this, the other 2 terrorists fled and hid behind some boulders. Spotting 2 terrorists who had hidden behind boulders, Havildar Dada lunged at one of them. The 2 were locked in hand-to-hand combat, slipping and sliding down the hill till Havildar Dada finally neutralized him. However, the 4 terrorists then sprayed bullets into him. Ignoring his grievous wounds, Havildar Dada pinned down the shooters and severely injured him. The terrorist was eventually killed, but Havildar Dada succumbed to his injuries and was martyred. Havildar Dada killed 3 terrorists in the operation single-handedly, and his action led to the elimination of 4th terrorist. Havildar Dada's action of eliminating 3 terrorists in an engagement as close quarters and injuring a 4th one, in disregard to his personal safety, foiled the infiltration bid and ensured the safety of his comrades. Havildar Hangpan Dada is survived by his wife Srimati Chesan Lowang Dada, daughter Raukin and son Senwang, for the supreme sacrifice made by him while discharging his duties and for displaying raw courage, unflinching grit combined with presence of mind with utter disregard to his personal safety, though bleeding profusely, was conferred the Ashok Chakra posthumously on the eve of the Independence Day in 2016. The 7-year-old son of martyred Havildar Hangpan Dada, whose wife received Ashok Chakra from President also wants to join the army. Hangpan Dada was honored by the Arunachal Pradesh state government with its highest civilian award, Arunachal Ratna, during 2016 Statehood Day celebration. The state government had also renamed the football and volleyball tournaments for Chief Minister's Trophy as Hangpan Dada Memorial Trophy. Dada's heroics have been documented in an official documentary released by Indian Army. Jai Hind.